Hello everyone, Chef Oswald here, and today we're going to whip up something special in the kitchen, homemade vegan sausages. It's a simple and flavorful recipe that can be used in various ways. Let's get started. Grab a pen and paper and jot down everything you'll need for this recipe. Begin by rehydrating 1 cup of textured soy protein, also known as TSP. You'll need 1 cup of boiling water. Let it rest until the TSP absorbs the water and becomes soft. Then drain any excess water. Now, for the main ingredients, mix the rehydrated TSP with half a cup of rolled oats, a 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, a 1/4 cup of chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika for that smoky touch, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Blend everything in a food processor until you get a smooth dough. If it's too dry, add a bit of water. If it's too wet, a touch more flour. The texture should be pliable but not overly sticky. Now it's time to shape our sausages. Take small portions of the dough and give them the desired sausage shape. If you prefer, you can use vegetarian sausage casings for that traditional look. Steam the sausages for 20 to 30 minutes. This will give them firmness. After steaming, you can grill the sausages until they're golden brown. And here are homemade vegan sausages ready to shine in your dishes. Use them in sandwiches, hot dogs, or as a side dish. Your creativity in the kitchen is the limit. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that it adds a special touch to your meals. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible recipes. Until next time, folks.